Hello and welcome again to Tips and Techniques for your Intuit website. Today's topic, Google Calendar. And this applies pretty much to any third-party integration using Intuit Site Builder. My name is Gene Townsend and you find more information at www.genetownsend.com. First we're going to go into Site Builder and we're going to go to a page that I've cleared some space to put our Google Calendar. Now for most third-party integration, what you're actually going to be doing is adding some code that you've copied from the vendor, and that's what we're going to do using an element called HTML. So we click on that and we make it the size of the space that we've cleared for previously. And we take particular note on its size. Its width 593 and its height 294. Now we're going to go to Google. Now in Google has calendar functions. It's built in. It's free. I just go to More. I go to Calendar. Now I've already created a calendar and anybody can do this. Again, it's free. Just do that and make sure that your calendar that you've created is made public. I'm going to go into the calendar for Gene Townsend, into its settings, clicking again on the calendar, and I'm going to go in and customize the color, size, and other options. What I want to do is make the width and the height the same as the 593 and 294. So again, that's 593, 294. Now what Google Calendar does is create the actual code that we're going to insert in the website and Site Builder. But we don't really have to know HTML coding. All we're going to do is copy what's there. And go back into Site Builder. And up here we're going to enter or paste our HTML into this HTML element. So we just click on the button and it tells us to insert our HTML snippet there. So that's what we do. We just paste it in. And it's done, and that's all. That's it. We save it. We can preview it. And you notice that we have the calendar here that we just modified in Google. It has standard Google functionality. You can go in and click on week or month view. You can print it off, do the things that you normally could do. You notice we don't have any dates or anything in here set up yet. But let's go back to Google. Let's close this window. Let's go back to Google. And actually go to that calendar and create an event. So on Thursday at 8 o'clock, we're going to have Thanksgiving dinner. And we're going to actually add some more detail where it's at. And save it off. Now you notice we've done all this in Google Calendar. Going back to Site Builder, we're going to preview it again. And you notice that we now have that date that we put in actually appear live on our website. In fact, we can go in, even take a look at the map. That's pretty much it. Again, I wanted to thank you for visiting us and talking about tips and techniques for your Intuit website. Again, I'm Gene Townsend. Today's session was on Google Calendar and other third-party integration using simple site builder tools.